The Ford Escape Hybrid is recalled, and it is serious. Ford's latest recall is small but serious. Just 2 Escapes and 1 Corsair are afflicted by the serious issue. 1 second, before we start the video, kindly subscribe to this channel. That will motivate us to make more videos like this. Your support is very important for us. Only you can help us to reach the next milestone. Now, let's get started. When it comes to recalls, the Ford Motor Company hasn't had the best luck. Just recently, the Blue Oval has had to recall around 281,000 F-150, Navigator, and Expedition models, due to a Brakemaster cylinder that may leak from the front wheel circuit into the brake booster. With reduced brake function in the front wheels, the risk of a crash is, obviously, far higher. But it seems the Dearborn-based automaker isn't in the clear just yet. The Ford Escape Hybrid is now the subject of a recall, but, curiously, just 2 units are affected. The NHTSA notes that a single Lincoln Corsair Hybrid is also part of the small recall. Odd it may be, but the reason is still very serious. According to the report, the hybrid's high-voltage battery system may fail, causing a sudden loss of power. While it may not sound that serious, it could be fairly catastrophic if a motorist loses drive power in the middle of an intersection or while climbing a steep incline. The dangers associated with this failure are clear to see. According to the NHTSA, the power loss can occur when an overheated busbar terminal may create a high-resistance connection, causing the battery pack high-voltage bus voltage to fall below an operational threshold. Upon detecting this issue, the vehicle's hybrid powertrain control module activates a diagnostic code, telling the powertrain to stop. If this fault occurs, drivers can still control the braking and power steering, thankfully. The culprit behind the recall is an improperly seated high-voltage busbar pad. This means prior to the busbar welding, the pad was already out of position, reducing the contact area between the cell terminal and the busbar. The reduced contact area causes higher resistance leading to an overheat condition, says the NHTSA. As mentioned, just 3 cars are involved, a single Corsair hybrid produced on January 10, 2022, and a pair of Escape hybrids, manufactured between August 5, 2021 to January 10, 2022. Owners will be notified by mail and will need to take their vehicles to the respective dealers to have the battery replaced. Naturally, this will be of no cost to the owner, as relatively brand new vehicles, the original warranty will soak up the related costs. Ford must be relieved that it's only 3 vehicles involved, as this could have been a lot worse for the company if more were affected. Aside from the cost of replacing the batteries, the possibility of the popular Escape Hybrid having such a widespread, dangerous issue could have been a PR nightmare. Elsewhere, 2015 to 2017 Ford Mustangs were the subject of a recall, with 330,000 examples plagued with a defective backup camera. For the company's sake, we certainly hope this is the last recall for a while. What do you think about this? Let me know this by commenting below. I would love to see them. I can go through your comments and share my feedback. Thanks for watching this video completely. Kindly subscribe to this channel and hit the like button. Thanks again, have a great day.